Hey everybody, welcome back to Gracewood Farms. I actually wanted to give you a quick garden update from the last time we talked because things have really taken off just in the week since I posted that video, or week and a half since I posted that video, and I'm going to show you guys a couple things real quick. So the first thing I want to show you guys is our Dragon's Tongue green beans. We just added these in the last 2 weeks. We've had a couple rains and just look at them. Aren't they doing fantastic? Ignore all the weeds. But yeah, you can see here, this is a little bean piece coming up, but these are Dragon's Tongue beans, this whole row. They're doing phenomenal. If you've never grown them, they are a very heavy yielder. So you'll get lots and lots of production from those all season long. And then this is our cabbage patch. It's getting eaten up by something. We'll just treat it and it'll be fine though. And then this here is our butternut squash. It has grown, I'm not exaggerating guys, probably 6 inches in the last week. So it's doing fantastic. Little marigold. This is a volunteer squash that we did not plant here, and we're not even sure what it's gonna be exactly. Yeah, so I guess we'll find out and we'll let you know. And then up here, this looks like all weeds because it is all weeds. This was our radish patch. So if you look here, these rows are empty and full of just weeds because this was just a few days ago all completely radishes, and the weeds took over really, really quickly with a few scraggler radishes left in there. So what we did with our radishes is one night I roasted them and we had them as a side and in the oven, and then the rest of our radishes, I got 2 quart jars, filled them up, and I pickled them. I got the recipe from Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and I just did some pickling salt and created a brine with water and covered those over. I put my fermenting lids on, and yeah, I'll do a quick video on like fermenting radishes and on like making apple cider vinegar one of these days. Here is our popcorn. It's doing fantastic. You want your corn to be knee-high by the 4th of July, right? That's what they always say. So that will definitely be knee-high, if not higher. And then this is our black beans, and we actually just sowed our fill-ins for all the spots that were spotty germination for whatever reason. We just sowed those, and I don't see anything yet popping up for our fill-in spaces. Yeah, I don't see anything yet, but that was just like 3 days ago. But you can see here, the black beans are doing fantastic. And then we added a little sunflower here. This is the garlic. And back here we have our potatoes. They are doing fantastic. Our regular dent corn. We have some lemon balm, white boar pumpkins, beans. This is regular green beans, just traditional. And then our Brussels sprouts, broccoli. Okay, so everything's doing really, really well. It looks like some of those beans got eaten by deer. We've had some deer back here quite a bit. And that's it. That's your update. This corn is already knee-high. Oh, and then I forgot to tell you guys, my dill absolutely germinated and sprouted and is doing really well. So here is my dill right there, and then I actually have some more coming up right here, and then 2 other spots I have dill coming up too. Super exciting. So that's your quick garden update. I hope you guys have a great day whatever you're doing. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless.